What's up, everyone? Here we got this 2019 Subaru WRX manual transmission. We installed a remote start system. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you must put the vehicle in reservation mode, as they call it, which is pretty much if you're driving, come to a stop, you're home, shifting to neutral like normal. You're going to pull the e-brake up while your feet are on the clutch and brake. You're going to let go of the brake, let go of the clutch. You're going to take the key out of the ignition. The car will stay running. Exit the vehicle. And just walk away. The car will arm and shut down. You have a simple one-button remote. Press and hold. Activates the remote start. Thank you guys for watching.